The first thing we'll do is remove the faceplate. Next, you want to unmount the switch from the electrical box. Then disconnect the wires. After you mark the wires, separate them, and we're going to install the iotty switch. You want to separate your wires and pull out the neutral bundle. So what you'll want to do is first connect your neutral wire, the white wire, the N from the iotty, to the neutral bundle. Give it a tug to ensure a good connection. Next, you're going to take your L wire and one of the RL1 wires from the iotty switch and connect it to the line, the power coming into your box. Giving each one a pull, making sure it's on tight. We'll take the last RL1 wire, connect it to the load, giving the wires a pull to make sure it's on tight. Then you'll be tucking all the wires into the box. You want to mount your iotty to the electrical box. The final step will be to put on your faceplate.